Alright, today at work, I started talking about Mexican candy and how it's been a while since I've had Mexican candy. So I couldn't wait for my shift to end so I can buy some Mexican candy. And I just made it to the store in time. I got myself some Duvalin. So let's go ahead and unbox this right now. They changed the box. It even says new look. There used to be like a more realistic looking kid on the box. Now it's some anime. I didn't know they had anime in Mexico. So here we go. It's a nice box. Even wrap it in plastic. Yeah, Walmart has this. I think it was like $3. So this comes with like a bunch of little spoons. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate what it looks like when you eat it with this little spoon. So I never liked this thing, so I guess you're supposed to eat it. So if you eat it too fast, this stuff is so sweet, your mouth is gonna start going numb. But yeah, I don't eat it this way. I just use a real spoon. And then how I do this is I'll eat a couple like this, like I'll eat half and half. I mean, that's how I like doing it. And I'll take a spoon and get the rest of the residue. I'll do that later. Eat the rest of that. Like I like to eat a few of them in that manner, and then after like 4 or 5, then I'll just eat it like this, like mixed, like that. This stuff is really sweet though. Like really, your mouth is gonna start going numb. It's probably the lead. That's why I started talking about this. For some reason, me and my coworkers were talking about lead. I was like, it's healthy to eat lead every once in a while. It's good for your immune system. So I'm gonna eat the chocolate half first. Now I'm gonna eat the vanilla half. I don't even. Well, it says hazelnut. It's not even chocolate. But it's been a while since I've had this. Mexican candy's freaking good. I don't know if I'm by Mexico, so the Walmart in my area sells Mexican candy. I don't know if every Walmart will have it, but I highly recommend it because it's good. Yeah, this shit's really sweet, man. Like, I normally eat everything I buy in one sitting, but this is one of the few cases where I won't eat this in one sitting. Like, this is like 3 days worth. How many is that? 3? I'll eat one more. Yeah, check it out. It's like $3 for this stuff. When I was a kid, I used to buy. Whoa, that's a lot of vanilla. But when I was a kid, I used to buy this from the ice cream man. He sold Duvalin. Yeah, I think I had enough now. It's like one of those things. Like you'll think about it. It's really good, and then you're like, okay, that's enough. Too sweet. All right, that's good stuff though. Duvalin, highly recommended. Eat it with the freaking spoon though. I never liked this. Even as a kid, I never liked these. I just would like eat it with my finger. I would use my finger as a spoon. All right, Duvalin. You want some?